In this video, I'll show you how to change your PlayStation Network name on your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, if you want to change your PlayStation Network name, you can easily change it directly from your PS5. Your PlayStation profile actually has two different names, which is name and online ID. While they may look similar, they serve different purposes. In this tutorial, I'll explain the difference between the two and show you how to change your PlayStation Network online ID on your PS5. Before we get started, keep in mind that your first online ID change is free, but if you already changed it before, additional online ID changes may require a fee. Also, while almost all PS4 and PS5 games fully support online ID changes, some older PlayStation games may experience minor compatibility issues after changing your online ID. Alright, from the PS5 home screen, you want to go to settings at the top right, go to users and account, select account, then choose profile. Here, you'll see several profile options including name and online ID. If you only want to change the name displayed on your profile, you're gonna select name. This is your personal display name and doesn't need to be unique, so multiple players can use the same name. But if you want to change the username that other players see when you're playing online, sending messages, joining parties, or appearing on leaderboards, you're gonna select online ID. This is your PlayStation Network username. For this tutorial, we're changing the online ID, which is your PlayStation Network name, so let's select that. After selecting online ID, PlayStation will display an important information screen. This screen explains a few things you should know before changing your online ID. So make sure to read it carefully because it can mess with your game progress or settings. If you're okay with that, you can select I accept. There will be another important information. Once again, make sure you read it carefully and select continue if you're okay with that. You might need to verify your account. Just log in with your PlayStation account and here you'll be able to change your PlayStation Network name. So just enter the new online ID you'd like to use. As you type, PlayStation will automatically check whether the name is available. If your preferred online ID is already taken, try adding numbers or making small changes until you find one that's available. Once you're happy with your online ID, select continue, review the information shown on the screen. If everything looks correct, then confirm the online ID change. After a few moments, your PlayStation Network username will be updated. And that'd be it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.